Hi guys, we're gonna go to the beach today. It's like 6:40, and I woke up like at 5:45, like me and Nani, because we set a timer. So yep, this is gonna be a vlog on Saturday, July 4th. We're going to the beach. It's gonna be so awesome. Look again, it's so beautiful. I can't wait. It's just a perfect day outside. Oh my god. Well, see you guys when we're at the beach. It's gonna be like a second for you guys.
Almost right now.
See
2 hours.
Okay guys, we're at the beach. See? Really cool. Really awesome. So we're gonna go to this pier right there. Oscar's German.
Are you guys just vlogging?
Yeah. That's right there, home. It took so long to come. Whew. Okay, so we'll see you guys when we get over there. Yeah. Okay, we're here. We're on it. Oh, it hurts my foot. Oh my god. It's so cool.
Fireworks.
Oh yeah, huh? They're actually
another one.
Yeah, there is.
Another one.
Look, that's where we go. Oh, okay, I got my.
Vlog this, guys. Vlog this.
You want to transmit that? Oh!
Water's like unfavorable.
Oh crap! Oh, look, it's like a ride at Disneyland. Oh, watch out for the wave. Watch out! Okay, it's coming. Okay.
I'm like over here with this huge ass ice.
Oh my god. Look, there's a splash on me. Look at it splash! Oh.
Oh, you guys see that? You guys see that? You guys catch it on camera?
Okay, we'll be right back, guys. Oh, I thought I was gonna hit. Oh, whatever though.
I'll see you guys in a little moment. See you guys in a little moment.
Okay, be right back, guys.
Oh, right here.
Look.
Oh, no.
Oh, dang it. You'll be right back again. Okay, it's coming. What? Oh, there's something.
Oh, I think this one. I think this one.
Okay, but later we might go to see some fireworks. Oh, wait. I catch something on camera. Nothing.
We need a huge.
Then you found something cool, like feathers.
A shark.
you
A
guys
shark. A shark. Look.
Shark.
Oh, you
What
guys
the
see
heck? Oh yeah, that's totally a shark.
What's your
Come on, water.
I'll be right back when it comes. Oh, you guys probably didn't see it.
I got that.
Okay, well, this is gonna be it for this, okay?
Oh, this is gonna hit. This is gonna hit. This is gonna hit.
That's like
She's like,
okay, bye guys. Okay, so here, the other side. We'll go to the other side. Woo. Oh, it's so cold now. I'm scared of my iPad. Live. It's not live. It's cold.
I got that. I got that.
GoPro. I don't know what you guys use, but I'm just saying GoPro.
What up, B? Okay, bye guys. I hope you guys had happy
No hace nada, mija.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh dang! Let's go! Oh, nice! Oh, is it the one that makes noise? Oh, I like. Oh, those. Oh,
Adrián.
It's not that deadly.
God.
oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's it. One more extreme than
Dude, you did that there. Yeah, we did that. Oh, what the heck? Oh, that scared me.
Oh, that almost exploded that
shoot.
car.
Oh, not that.
Dude, that could have exploded that car.
Yeah, we did that.
I know, we did.
Yeah.
Seriously, why do we get so many flares?
That's what those are.
All of them. Yeah, no, I'll kick it. It's like the background. Guys, this is like the background.
Oh, it's a flare. Chop. Chop. Right there. Oh, that was sick.
Oh, no.
Is this one? Is this one? Oh, this one looks.
Another one.
Big one. This is a big one. Another big one.
Get down, sisters. Hey, we almost took down that plane.
Oh, I know.
Oh, that was cool.
You got done? Yeah.
This one does.
is better.
Don't look down. Look down.
Oh shit, Felix come down. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It took so long to make. It was the whole day. We went to the beach, then we did some fireworks. It was really fun. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.